Week is upon us, and right as hospitals in southern Idaho are seeing the worst of the Delta variant. Putting you first, KMVT's Zach Brule spoke with the fair, city and health officials about what is and is not being done to keep you safe at the fair. With the fair approaching and space in Idaho's hospitals, here's our own Zach Brule.
As Idaho's healthcare system is at an all-time low, I wanted to hold our officials accountable, asking them what is and is being done to help keep you safe. So far, it appears the pandemic is not a priority.
You know, it's been a pretty smooth setup this year. Everybody's kind of happy to be going again instead of being shut down like last year. So
all is calm and quiet at the Twin Falls County Fairground for now. But come Wednesday, thousands of people will flock to the venue for the Twin Falls County Fair. Now, what does that mean for local area businesses and, quite frankly, our health system?
There is always concern whenever there's a group gathering, especially now that we know that the Delta variant is able to break through that vaccine barrier a little bit more effectively.
With local health experts expressing concern, will we see any additional precautions in place at the fairgrounds?
We're going full bore. We don't have any mask mandates and we don't have anything like that. We still got our sanitizing stuffs around that we're gonna continue with that program from last year.
Now, what about our elected officials? Will they suggest any ways that we can be better protected at the fair this week?
Haven't had any real discussions about it. We have not been really in tune with a lot of the numbers at this point. You know, I'll say, you know, what we talked about last year as well. I have a personal responsibility to be safe and be cognizant of other folks, and it doesn't hurt to social distance if you need to, or wear a mask, or whatever the case might be.
So I decided to help Mr. Johnson, and in just a few minutes I found data showing that our county is currently at critical risk for COVID. That's according to South Central Public Health District. St. Luke's Magic Valley is currently at capacity in the ICU. And the Department of Health and Welfare has Twin Falls, Jerome, and Gooding counties in the top 5 for COVID cases.
These numbers are the worst the Magic Valley has seen throughout the pandemic. Tomorrow, Governor Little is holding a press conference to discuss the state of COVID in the state of Idaho. We'll be broadcasting that live from our Facebook at 12:30, and tune into KMVT News at 6 tomorrow, and I'll give you a full wrap-up. Live from the KMVT Newsroom, I'm Zach Brule.